Last night while we were sleeping, the state of Les was rocked by a 7.5 magnitude earthquake that rocked the very state of Les to its core. I'm currently filming along the 75-foot long fault line that has now ravished our nation. And that's my dog. First was Haiti, then Chile, now the state of Les. Could this be the sign of the perilous end times that are upon us? Could this be God's wrath pouring out because we're all such pricks? This nation, at the state of Les, is definitely starting to take second notice.